start to report. Okay, this experience, it's a simulation of a sprint project, okay? But you have the same situation, but it's a big time because you have a big problem, okay? You have more time, 1 week, but you need to, it's not time enough, a lot of time. You need to, for example, the guy that's assume and I suggest that one of you or one of Brazilian assume the Scrum Master position, okay? Because if you to planning the activities and to perform this work, I really suggest that you don't need to follow Scrum, you can follow any other approach, but my suggestions is to organize the work. Don't keep, okay, it's okay, I'm doing, you are responsible for it, I'm responsible. No, planning the activity, put in the Kanban board and follow, and maybe one of you, or here in Brazil, assume the position to be a Scrum Master, to check the work and to talk, to coordinate the work, okay? So for now, give me a time to open the file here. Okay, for now, I would like to give you some time to work in the final project. Okay, what is the next step? Is the project setup. The project setup is the time that you organize the project. Okay, again, it's not only your test, it's the test from to you and the Brazilians, okay? What I ask you to do is to start this organization and insert the Brazilian guys inside this project, okay? And if you have problems with the Brazilian guys, you need to ask saying, and I will talk with the Brazilian professor, okay? What you need to do? The first thing, you need to create a GitHub project like that, okay? A site like that. I believe you already did it before, but if you didn't do it before, you can perform this tutorial here, okay? One thing that your project in the GitHub needs to have is a README file, like I did, okay? If you see, my GitHub project has a README file, that is this file here. You have a lot of information about the project. I want that you have one file like that in your main project, okay? Oh, I would like to use the GitHub project to manage the project. Yes, it's perfect. You can do it. Okay. You can do it, okay? You have a tutorial here, how to use the GitHub to work with the project, okay? You can do it in the GitHub, for example. You can open this tab here. Give me a second to show again. You can click here, project. And the project, you can add your project, okay? You can create a project, and when you create the project, like for example, new project, create, okay? And you need to set the name of the project. For example, GSL Tech ITA, okay? And here, you create a Kanban, for example. Oh, sorry. Here in view 1, you have to do, for example. Here, you have working. And you can create a new one that you have, I don't know, done. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. I need to delete it. Okay. In this V1, you can see done, in progress, to do, in progress, and done. Okay. And here you can create, you can add an item. Okay. This item can be, as a user, I want to, oh, sorry. As a user, I want to X something. Okay. Okay. You have here the task. And here the task, you can describe better the task. For example, you can click edit and you can describe the task. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. You can assign. It's the idea. How to read it. Here you have the information how to do these things in more detail. Okay. I will give some time. Okay. The GitHub is not good. I would like to use the Trello. Okay. You can use the Trello. Okay. Oh, sorry. Trello. You can use the Trello. There is no problem to use the Trello. What is the Trello? The Trello is here. Okay. You can use the Trello to do the same thing. Okay. You can use the Jira to do the same thing. Okay. But you need to do using some tools to support the project. Okay. Assign the people that's involved, define the task, assign the people, define the user store. Okay. And assign the people to work in the project. Any questions, guys?
Not for now, teacher.
Okay. I will open the breakout rooms and you have this time, use this time to work, to set the project. Maybe create the Git project if you didn't create before. Create the project in the Git or in the Trello if you didn't create before. And call me if you have any questions. Okay. In the next class that you have, I believe is on Wednesday, I would like to see the project set. You don't need to finalize it, okay, because you have until Friday. But I would like to see the improvement of this work, okay? Use the time today to start to work in this activity, okay? I will open the breakout room, and if you have any question, you can call me. Now you enter in your real group. If you have only 2 guys, enter in your real group and work there, okay? See you.